Well, I'm halfway around the world now, but I'm thinking of you, and I want you to know that I love you. Been living this way for a while now, but something is changing, and maybe it's time to slow down with you, darling. I remember the day when I met you, 'cause it felt like a dream, and I wondered if I was still sleeping. Now I'm in Argentina, but I wanna be back in that hotel room in Geneva with you, darling, with you. Can you hear me? I speak so softly, but I never wanted to be the loudest voice, the loudest voice. Somebody asked me a question. They said, why can't you stop? And there must be something that you run from. I told them I'm not running, but maybe I'm searching for something. Maybe I feel like I found it with you, darling, with you. Do you remember what I told you when you asked for the answer and I said that it was a kidnap? I wanna say I'm sorry. I don't know the answers, but I know that I wanna find it with you, darling, with you. Can you hear me now? I know I speak so softly, but I never wanted to be the loudest voice. Can you hear me now? I know I speak so softly, but I never wanted to be the loudest voice. Can you hear me now? I know I speak so softly, but I never wanted to be the loudest voice. Don't wanna wake up from this dream. The loudest voice. Can you hear me now? I know I speak so softly.
Like a movie that you can quote almost every line, like a t-shirt that you have washed about 100 times. things I couldn't tell you. Do you miss me? Are you talking to yourself too? This is the part where I start losing my damn mind. This house is way too quiet, and I know the walls would never tell. Lately I've been talking to myself. What if I play pretend you're holding me again? We're laughing in my head, but I know that there's nobody else. And I've just been talking to myself. Talking to myself.
Underneath the sink of the hallway bathroom, there's a first aid kit with a needle that I can use to stitch you up, 'cause you're bleeding out, and it's far too deep for a bandage now. Oh, I wish I had a steadier hand, all the words to bring you back again. Yeah, I wish I had a steadier hand. I quiver and I quiver. I was waking up, oh, it made me shiver. Your voice was weak, slurred and bitter. All the drinking does is thin your blood, tells your heart that you'll never be loved. Oh, I wish I had a steadier hand, all the words to bring you back again. Yeah, I wish I had a steadier hand. I will bring you back, but I quiver and I quiver. Oh, I wish I had a steadier hand, all the words to bring you back again. Yeah, I wish I had a steadier hand. I quiver and I quiver and I quiver. gonna be alright. I love you more than I did yesterday. I will love you even more when tomorrow's sun comes around. I love you more than I did yesterday, and I will love you even more when tomorrow's sun comes around. I want it all. I want it all. Give you my all. I'll give you my all. I love you more than I did yesterday. I will love you even more when tomorrow's sun comes around. I love you more than I did yesterday, and I will love you even more when tomorrow's sun comes around. I picked you up in the dead of the night. You look so pretty in the stream of my headlight. All the time that was passing us by, you've been on my mind. I drove you out with my foot to the floor. You made me crazy in the way you did before. After this, where do you wanna go? You said, take me home, and that was fine by me. We were out of control, we were living in the moment. It was taking its hold, and now I can't believe I was ever alone. When you got me thinking maybe I don't gotta be so headstrong, 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 headstrong. When you pulled up, I was frozen inside. I couldn't see you through the stream of your headlights. All the love we were trying to hide, but it blew our minds. But that was fine by me. We were out of control, we were living in the moment. It was taking its hold, and now I can't believe I was ever alone. When you got me thinking maybe I don't gotta be so headstrong, 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 headstrong. Each little piece that makes you whole, they make me wanna lose control. These roads we're driving down, I know I'm not scared of where they go, but that was fine by me. You waste your time on me. Yeah, that was fine by me. You waste your time on me. Yeah, that was fine by me. We were out of control, we were living in the moment. It was taking its hold, and now I can't believe I was ever alone. When you got me thinking maybe I don't gotta be so headstrong, 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 headstrong. done spending all my money trying to find serenity. My chest was an oil drum full of rum, and it was drowning my identity. I sold my guitar to buy myself some time, but I don't mind. No one knows my name.